Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sum a column of numbers in Microsoft Word using a simple formula. First, open your Word document that contains the table you want to calculate. Make sure you have an empty cell at the bottom of the column where you want your total to appear. Click inside that empty cell. Next, look at the ribbon at the top of your screen. Under the Table Tools section, click on the Layout tab. Make sure it is the Layout tab on the far right, specifically for tables. In the data group on the right side of the ribbon, click on Formula. A small dialog box will pop up. Word will automatically suggest the correct formula. In the formula box, you should see equals sign, SUM, open parenthesis, the word above, and a close parenthesis. If it's blank, simply type that in exactly. Below that, you can click the number format dropdown to choose how you want the number to look, like adding a currency symbol or decimal points. When you are set, click OK. The total sum will instantly appear in your cell. There is one very important detail to remember. Unlike Excel, Word does not update formulas automatically if you change a number in your table. If you edit your data, simply highlight your total, right-click it, and choose Update Field. Alternatively, you can just press F9 on your keyboard to refresh the sum. That's it. A quick and easy way to calculate totals directly in Microsoft Word. If this guide saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.